cute cat is there. I'm walking toward her, but I don't know. She wants to be with me, or she deny and reject. She always reject. I know her. Well, let's try her again. Meow. 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 This time she doesn't meow. She doesn't want to reject me. Bia. 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 Cute. Cute cat. Cute hairy cat. Come on. Bia. Bia. She doesn't like to have any connection with people in this area. I know her very good. Yeah, yeah. Come on. I know her very good. She doesn't like to join human. Meow. She ran away. As you can see, she ran away. Let's go after her. Let's follow her to see what will she doing when she see me behind herself, and see the reaction of her. She's there. She's walking away. I found her in mountain of leaves, yellow leaves here. As you can see, she went there and slept between those leaves. As you can see, I found her. She is insisting to avoiding of closing to me, but I always try to befriend her, but she reject that all the time. Let's get close again and see what will happen at this time. Meow. Meow. Yeah. So cute, yeah. Do you enjoy up here between leaves? Do you live there? Do you like that? Yes, I know you like to be here, but you all the time reject me. Many thanks. The mountain of leaves is here. What do you think? Insisting on her in this place. You can see he's under the tree, and she always looks at me. Come on, so cute, yeah. We can be friends, can we? Look at him, yeah. Let me get closer. I know that you like this time. You don't like here between trees?